Papa, leave me.
Leave you for waiting.
Leave me. I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school.
I will blow you.
Papa, leave me.
I will blow you.
Go to this school.
Begin where say Papa no go sleep. He to no go sleep.
To go to school.
Is it by force? You must go to this very one.
I don't want to go to school.
You will go. Come on, move it.
Oh, Papa, now leave me now.
I
don't like this thing. Is it forced to go to
Shut up your mouth.
I don't like this thing.
Shut up.
It's not forced to go to school.
I
don't want to go to school. Is it for...
Like where? You see, Cisco, where your journey to excellence began. Say, honor English. Go down, let me talk to you. Shut up. Talk too much like your mother. This is where your journey begins. This is a place whereby if you school here, coming out will be very, very beneficial to me. You school here, you learn skills and acquisition. How you English? What a mess. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. Good day. Aha. Nabiko, let me. Oh yeah, come.
Okay, wait. Calm down now.
Calm down and I calm down. To learn to book, you know they calm down. Let me go.
This is a school premises. Calm down.
And so what? School premises. Now before now, mortuary premises. I go. My pikin want to start school here. From bus stop there, I see the signboard where they write Spence International School and Career College or where. Bonkwem there for Alaba for beside Alaba market. So as I see my pikin say, he want go for more Ruby in Kate school. Where be saying go read only ABCD. I say no, you must read school here. Where be say you go there study, you go there learn handwork, learn everything, so that at the end you enter Budoibo.
Welcome, sir. But we are not done. We are not. Ayebidebe.
Huh? We are not done. Ayebidebe. But make I enter.
Come, I beg, calm down. I beg. It's on September we are starting this school. Not now. I beg, calm down.
Which one be September again? School never resume.
School will never start now.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm a responsible person. Talk to responsible meet responsibility. I am about responsible Sam. You are welcome, my dear. So because I saw this name, the name of this school online. And the way people are talking about it all over Imo State, all over Port Harcourt, in fact, the whole world, even for my brother, where they for Germany.
Oh, wow.
Now, and I saw him they talk for Italy. Everybody they talk about the school, say they don't start for Imo State. And some people in Imo State, you don't reach my hand. My pikin one go where you go read only book. Say I know. I got from Congo school whereby you go read book and also learn skills.
Yes.
Very important.
And learn German language.
German.
Wait, no, wait, sir.
All the more so we talk about
calm down. We have not resumed yet.
Huh?
Yes. We have not resumed. We are still preparing for our entrance exam. Yes.
Entrance exam?
Yes. For you to enroll in France International School and Career College, you have to go through an entrance exam.
Okay.
And the entrance exam is coming up on the 11th of April and the 13th of June here in Cisco. Yes.
Okay, here like a man here in Nollywood.
Yes, not only here,
okay.
In Nollywood.
Okay.
We also have an entrance exam in Port Harcourt.
Okay.
At Siwa, along that Aba Road. On the 18th of April and 6th of June.
Okay.
Not only that.
Online or in physical?
No, these ones are physical. Port Harcourt and Owerri are physical. But online is on the 20th of June. Online, that's worldwide. Yes. Yes, all over the country.
Mande no Budoibo.
Exactly.
They take your inline.
Yes.
Hey.
So after the exam, we'll now process the results.
Okay.
And now we'll give admission to those who qualify for the school.
Yes. Okay.
And one more thing, sir. We have 50,000 naira discount for the first 50 parents on this date. So both Owerri and Port Harcourt.
50,000.
Yes.
Discount.
Yes.
As first 50 parents to come. First one. Discount 50.
No, I'm not going to give you 50,000. On that day, when you come, if you're among the first 50 parents, if the registration fee was supposed to be 100,000, or minus 50,000.
Oh, you mean if they disconnect to 50,000 to me?
No, discount.
I want to work. Can work at English because it's too big. Bring it down to me. Like one but I call English.
That is why we are Sprance International School. We learn phonetic English and German languages.
Hey, if you finish school in here, if you come back speak Igbo again,
it's called Dutch.
Dutch. Dutch. Say it, Dutch. Say Dutch. Say Dutch.
So that is the information.
Hey, school look School
yes, it's day and boarding. Yes, day and boarding. No, it's the boarding school also requires entrance exam, sir.
Okay,
so,
we dey the border.
No.
I book Rosukwananta book na
I'm sorry, sir.
Hey! High school. This is a place where you are going to study. My fellow parents, you have heard from the horse's mouth. There's no two ways about it. If you see good road, show your brothers. This place is a nice and in fact a choosing place for your child to be enrolled in, yes. So that at the end of time you as a parent will smile home. You can see I'm already smiling even though my child
and it's not just secondary, from nursery to secondary school.
Okay, be done at Nazareth.
Yeah, from nursery.
Okay, nursery. Woo! Yeah, what takara. Crate, crayfish from crate. What a crayfish? Crate. So one bag of secondary. Okay. Primary. Okay. You enter SS2.
And not only that, this school will give you a franchise to German scholarships. Like after the secondary school, you can go to German schools to further your education.
For the education, I was born can someone need furtherment. The information you give is so nice. Yes. So my fellow parents, please let us line up. Remember, the first 50 parents to come first, you'll be getting a discount of 50,000 naira. Yes. It's a very good one. So let's go. By 11th of April, we will come for the exam. Yeah, that 11th of April, he will come back again on the 13th of June. He will rewrite. Okay. He must get it.
Okay, sir.
When we got school, my brain was as hot as ever. I'm asking him now about 31. And what the Shimbra one? Tell your neighbors to tell their neighbors. How him got oh, yeah, what illiterate? Don't talk to me. Let me be colleague. Thank you. You were teachers.
Yeah, I'm one of the teachers.
Oh, you got Mama English. Eh? Okay, with the motion, okay, with them you. Mwanga. 11 to give what don't know, I get job like that. Move it. Move it. Put it up. Akwụkwọ na-atọ monara na mmụta onye nwere nkasi obi ọ ga-amụta akwụkwọ ma ọ bụrụ ma nne gị na nna gị mara ihe. Bye, Olende, no, bye. Good morning. Teachers, hi. Good morning, teachers. Good morning, Reverend. Good morning.
Good morning. How may we help you?
Thank you, sir. My name is Chiefimo Worldwide. English don't trouble me too much. I don't read anywhere where I go. English go warm nala. They go call me for government house. English go pour me for grant. Everywhere, English is no good. So the moment I come to the bus stop, I saw the signboard of this school where it was boldly presented. So I said, no, I read everything. I read the name Conde somehow. I said, let me come and start school here. You can enroll me into class.
Thank you. We cannot just enroll you that way. We have our entrance exam is coming up Saturday 11th April 2026. And the second one will be Saturday, 13th June.
Wait a minute. School they never start the school already.
No. We are starting in September. So you have to come for the entrance exam first.
September 2026, sir.
Yes. And before you come for entrance exam, you have to obtain the admission form.
Admission again, and I'm no longer. Which one might be admission form again? Now for hospital, they give admission.
It's when you fill the form that will enable you to take the exam, the entrance exam.
Wait a minute. I will write the exam before I go start.
Yes.
And let him the exam for exam need a drop. My brother and I be principal here. No, what did I go write the exam again?
That is what will qualify you to come. Now, the entrance exam will give us insight. It is a kind of diagnostic test For us to know
diagnosis again.
Yeah, test.
For
us to know your strengths and your weakness. Yes.
Oh my word. Oh my word. Because I hear say the school no be ordinary read and write ABC. They say there is other curriculum where they say people go learn from them.
Yes.
Now you make I rush.
We run 3 different curricula. We have Nigerian curricula, the British, and German.
Oh, British na German. British is about German. Oh, yeah, I'm like the moment I hear that one, I move.
Children that will study here will have opportunity to study in Germany.
Really?
Under scholarship, free of charge. So they will not pay anything.
Hey! You know what time to get Germany?
From nursery class, they will start to learn Germany.
Ew.
I mean German language.
German language.
They will learn German language from nursery to primary to secondary.
Ew.
So by the time they graduate from year 12, which is SS3, they would have been very perfect with German language. And straight ahead, we will help them to process the admission.
The admission.
And it's free.
Hey! Chineke onye ọrụ ebube. Ihe ọma batala n'Imo State.
That is not all.
Oh,
we have vocational skill where they learn different things: garment making, electrical, electronics, furniture making, etc. So many things they will learn
from this school.
Hands on.
Hey! Aga m eji mbazụ na igwe ma bịa aga m amụ ka esi egwu ji. Aga m amụ mechanic kwa aga amụta mechanic.
Yes.
All in him gano mechanic my father was mechanic until young. So Muna Mama got you too soon, Pama. Then I school here, Mokori and Pama go for.
So first thing first, you need to obtain the form. When you fill the form, then you choose out of the 2 dates, 13th June, 13th June, or
and 11.
Anyone you like, you come write the exam.
Because all this exam where you talk I go come right. Now physical exam have been online, have been spiritual.
No, these 2 dates we mentioned are physical, in person. But we have another date for the online, which is 20th of June. That one will be done nationwide.
Okay.
Even people that obtain the form abroad, we also write in abroad.
In abroad, but
yes.
Online.
Online. Everybody will write
online.
Nationwide, worldwide.
Let me do my own physical.
Yes. Even people who live in Port Harcourt and its environ, they have their own date too.
For Port Harcourt?
Yes, they have their own date.
Which date for Port Harcourt?
Port Harcourt date is 18th April and June 6th.
Yeah, can't get done at Port Harcourt.
Yes, at Siwa.
Siwa
in Aba Road by 1st Artillery.
Okay.
That is where the center is.
My brother children live for Port Harcourt. Maybe Hagaga need to see Hagaga daycare. They will go there and write their own. Wow! The name of the school again, because the thing is Ramahan.
France International School and Career College, Owerri.
Spanish?
France International School and Career College, Owerri. Cisco.
France International School
and Career College,
Owerri. Hey! Cisco. Okay, now in the right here.
Yes.
I copy them to see for my own. Cisco. Hey, my people, now don't hear them. I see how I told us before that I'm a carrier of good news. Anywhere where better than a day you go see Chiefimo. If it is not good, I will not bring it to your doorstep. It is already on. You can see it's a very big and beautiful environment for your children to obtain education and acquisition of English. Hey, want to go to school? This is time for theory. And then them born in a ABC. You go try and get put them one day big and one. It's gone. This time around, go to school to learn skills. Give so that by the time you come out, if the other side fail you, this side no go fail you. But I call here, come look at me today. If I hadn't have read and the Moakon, I'm gonna go them. So please enroll your child now. The time for the exams is from 10 a.m. in the morning. All the dates 10 a.m. in the morning. And you know the dates already. 11th of April and the 13th of June 2026 here in Owerri. Do not say I did not tell you, because this is something that will benefit you and your family, your children. In fact, at the end of it, your children will say, Daddy, Mommy, thank you for enrolling me into Cisco academic. You want to go? Remember, Port Harcourt people, your own still there. You know, the whole information is here. So since I don't, let me be the first student who don't come. So therefore, let me go. On that 11th of April, my delay my entrance exam. Meanwhile, I will obtain my form because without form, there will be no information. This school, very close to the road, very high. Empire Filling Station. Beside Alaba Market. Drop your children drop them here. You enter Alaba for market. One school don't close. You enter here, carry your children, go back. Easy. School one close. You choose hey, who go bring my school run? Who go do this? And remember, there is a boarding here. Boarding school. That makes it easier. Romas is never agreement to it. And now Romas are alright. I will want to our restroom.